Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix attestation requirement not met after updating BIOS Modern Warfare 4 error when launching Modern Warfare 4. This problem can sometimes continue even after you've already updated your BIOS. If you're facing the same issue, follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Check and reset TPM. First, right-click the Start menu and select Run. Type tpm.msc and press Enter. This will open the Windows TPM Management Console. Here, check whether your TPM is detected and ready for use. If you have the option to clear TPM, you can use it to reset the TPM security keys. Important: clearing the TPM can affect security keys used by Windows and applications, so make sure you understand the consequences before proceeding. If BitLocker or device encryption is enabled, make sure you have your recovery key available. After clearing the TPM, restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, check the TPM status and make sure it is ready for use. Step 2. Reset related Windows components. If the attestation error is still showing, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now run the commands provided in the video description one at a time. Press Enter after each command and wait for it to complete before running the next one. These commands are intended to reset or repair Windows components related to the security and attestation process. After completing the commands, restart your PC. Step 3. Check attestation status. After restarting, open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Now enter the two PowerShell commands shown in the video description. Run the first command, press Enter, and then run the second one. The important thing is to check the resulting status. If you see Ready for Attestation True, that means Windows is reporting that the system is ready for the attestation process. At this point, restart your computer one more time and launch Modern Warfare 4. Also, make sure that TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and UEFI mode are properly enabled in your BIOS, since these security features can be required for modern Call of Duty security checks. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix the attestation requirement not met error, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more gaming troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.